Guys, how you doing? Today, on Thomas the Detectorist, we're going to make electrolysis. Clean some coins, right? All right, get yourself a cord, right? Old phone charger from like back in the day, right? When they used to have those really big, or one you don't use anymore. And cut the end off of it. Looks like a little plug-in where it goes into your old phone. And then cut the wires off and strip them a little bit. See how I stripped that one? I'm going to strip this one too. I'm just taking the scissor, and there's special tools for this, of course. Other people have patience to go look in the garage for the right tool, but I'm just using my eBay tools over here, my scissor. I just want to take the black part off, see? So I sliced it all around gently without cutting the copper wire inside. Maybe there's some expertise there. Of course, they make stuff that'll just cut automatically like that. And what I'm doing is I'm like peeling off a crusty coin. I'm taking off the black insulation wire to expose the copper wire, and we're gonna connect those to alligator clips. I'm sure you folks are familiar with alligator clips. All right, so once I got this taken off, so this particular clip right here has a screw on it. And of course, I have 3 screwdrivers. They're all Phillips head, and I needed a flathead. Then again, I just don't want to go out in this cold weather out there. I got a butter knife, right? And then I unscrewed it. So you got to improvise when you're being a metal detectorist. I believe you can run the copper wire through there and then secure it with that screw. So it has a little place where you can put the wire in. You can put the wire in and then take that screw and secure it down. That's pretty cool. All right, now that we got both clips connected, negative, positive, I'm gonna get a bucket of water, plug this in. You don't have to worry about it. It's 12 volts, so it's not gonna electrocute you. So it's kind of safe. All right, so I filled it up with water, put some baking soda in there. I don't know, maybe half a cup, I guess. And here we go. Taking the items, putting them in there, so they're submerged, and then plugging this in. And supposedly the positive electrons pull the negative, or the negative pull the oxidation off of the silver. I don't know. I really don't know. All right, so I'm starting to see this like highway of particles either going left to right or right to left. I don't know yet. It looks just like a cloud of dirt, and it's definitely going in between the bracelet and the coin. So well, I'm just gonna let it sit for a while, see what happens. Oh, it's working real good. Can you see all the stuff around it? That's really cool. Hey everybody, Thomas. Going back to the river. I've been doing local spots near my house, but no silvers. So this is like honey hole number 3, I think. Pulled out about 20 silvers out of here. Oh, and that Spanish Real. Oh, and that Lone Ranger pin. How cool was that, huh? So I'm gonna go do a spot that I think I only hit it once before, so. All right, let's see what happens. All right, the river comes through. Check this out, baby. CROTAL. It's ringing up like a beer can, but I went for it anyway. Oh, I'm gonna clean that up and show you later. That's so cool. That makes me so happy. Something old. These used to be on horses, buggies, like their horns. It's in pretty good shape too, man. Very cool. All right, Thomas at the beach. Let's see if it's frozen or not. All right, our first find. I don't know who he is. Cool. Look at all the tiny little shells and fossils and quartz, all kinds of stuff. I actually got a signal here, and it looks like a coin. And we got oh, it's a dime. I'm sure it's clad. We'll get the silvers another time. This is just because the weather's been so cold. And finally it's like 37 degrees. So I had to come out, and it's actually quite comfortable. And the waves are beautiful. Woo, grab my surfboard and my wetsuit. Nice. Alrighty. Got 35 cents so far. 1992 quarter. All right, I was chasing this terrible, horrible signal, but it's a ring. lost its stone, but it's a ring. I think it's the first ring of 2022. Cool, little junker. All right, guys, I come back to the bay, right by my house. Pulled out a bunch of clad, and this cool thing. But just pulled out a, looks like a European coin. I'm gonna check that out. Sure looks silver. I think it says 25 cents on it. All right. Mystery coin. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, you can see the little lake is frozen over, but oh, it's a new spot. I figured I'd try to check it out. Train's not too far away, but we got a weedy, so that's a good sign. Silver coins were made when Wheaties were made. Cool. Alrighty, this is really cool. When I was a kid, I used to play at these arcades at the Seaside Heights Boardwalk. Now I got 50 points. Sweet. All right, another lake and another weedy. more ice, but we got a little beach to go here. Try it out. All righty, just pulled up I thought that was a silver. It's been a while since I got a silver. Timex. Takes a licking. Cool.